In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multi-language in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want your website to be accessible to visitors who speak different languages, Hostinger makes that process very simple. Adding multiple languages can help you reach a wider audience and create a better experience for people browsing your site. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact path inside the builder so you can get it done quickly and confidently. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your website and click Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage your site settings and access the builder tools. From there, click Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can make visual and functional changes to your site. Give it a moment to fully load so all editing options appear properly on the screen. If you're working on a live site, it's also a good idea to stay focused on the language settings so you don't accidentally change other design elements while you're here. Once you're inside the editor, go to the left-hand side panel and click More. This section contains additional tools and settings that are not always visible in the main editing area. If you don't immediately see what you need, just take a second to scan the menu carefully. After that, click Multi-Language. This is the setting that allows you to add other language versions to your website. When you open it, Hostinger will show you the available language options that you can use for your site. Now, select a language from the list. Choose the one you want to add based on the audience you're trying to serve. For example, if you expect visitors from different regions, adding their preferred language can make your website easier to understand and more welcoming. Make sure you choose the correct language before moving forward, especially if you plan to add more than one over time. Then click Add Language. Once you do that, Hostinger will add the selected language to your website settings. Depending on your setup, you may then be able to customize or translate content for that new language version inside the builder. And that's it. That's how to add multi-language in Hostinger Website Builder. As a quick tip, after adding a language, review your pages carefully to make sure everything appears correctly and your content is properly adapted for each audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.